Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we are going to talk about going to school.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emma.
Hi Daniel.
How are you today?
I am good. How are you?
I am great.
That is wonderful.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like school?
I like learning new things.
That is a good reason.
What about you?
I like school because I can meet my friends.
That is nice.
What time do you wake up on school days?
I wake up at 6:30.
Do you wake up easily?
Sometimes.
I need an alarm clock.
Me too.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Then what?
I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I usually eat cereal and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Nice.
Thank you. How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Sometimes it is.
I walk to school.
Do you enjoy walking?
Yes, I do.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes?
That is not very long.
No, it is not.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English
Why?
because I enjoy reading and speaking.
That sounds fun.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science.
Interesting.
I enjoy learning about nature.
What do you do in class?
I listen to the teacher.
Anything else?
I take notes and answer questions.
Good student.
Thank you.
Do you have many classmates?
Yes, I do.
Are they friendly?
Yes, they are.
That is great.
What do you do during lunch break?
I eat lunch with my friends.
What do you talk about?
We talk about school and hobbies.
That sounds fun.
Do you play sports at school?
Yes, sometimes.
What sport do you play?
I play basketball.
Nice.
What about you?
I play soccer.
Great sport.
What time does school finish?
Around 3 o'clock.
What do you do after school?
I go home and do my homework.
Homework is important.
Yes, it is.
Let's learn some English.
Great idea.
The word classroom is useful.
A classroom is a room where students learn.
Example sentence.
My classroom is on the second floor.
Another useful word is teacher.
A teacher helps students learn.
Example sentence.
My teacher is very kind.
Let's learn the word homework.
Homework is work students do at home.
Example sentence.
I do my homework after school.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Let's talk about grammar.
Good idea.
We use the present simple for routines.
Example.
I go to school every day.
Another example.
She goes to school every day.
Notice the word goes.
Yes, we add ES.
Let's learn an irregular verb.
Okay.
Go becomes went.
Example sentence.
Yesterday, I went to school.
Very good.
Thank you.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
School.
School.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Homework.
Homework.
Excellent.
What about you, listeners?
What is your favorite school subject?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Learning English takes practice.
Yes, it does.
Try to learn a little every day.
Small steps make a big difference.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for your support.
School can be a great place to learn and grow.
I agree.
We learn new things every day.
And we make new friends, too.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.